Guys, we're downgrading from this bad boy to this little bad boy. This just has a little smaller screen. This broke on us just a year later, so that's why we're switching to this. Currently,
I don't know if this is better, but it's more simpler.
it's more simpler and it saves you battery less. It's a smaller screen. But currently it's at 44 bucks, discount $10, so that's why we're gonna buy this bad boy. That's the difference. Opa, now me take the other one out. Look at the difference. This is broken 1 year later. This is the T5 and this is the T3. Yeah, so this is the... We downgraded to the older version, but this will be better because it drains less battery. Less screen, less battery, while this one had a huge screen. That's the only difference between these two. The screen size. Now you want to install it like this. 3 screws. Let me pull this out. Here's the wiring diagram, guys, for you. Yellow to yellow, green to green, red to red, and white to white. Before you do this, you want to turn off the thermostat electricity because you don't want to get electrocuted here. So go to your main circuit breaker and turn it off. Like I'm opening the... Now this is for the T3 version. That's the connector piece. Let's see if they're the same. Yeah, that's what I want to know. Now look, this is the T5, this is the T3. They look about exactly the same to me, but this has more options, while this has limited. Yeah, that seems to be true. But all we need is the green, yellow, and green, and we have that here. So yeah, guys, if you want to go to an older version from T5 to T3, it works. It's basically the same. This connector piece has just more options. See, this is rusted. This has oil in it, a little looped up. This one is dirty inside. See those pins? For some reason, they got oil in there, so that's why they stopped working. We have to switch back. See, I'm gonna put this new one and see if it's just this that's the problem. So let's go. Well, if it fits, it fits. Yeah, seems to work. But I think you gotta set it up first, and then it's gonna start working. Today is November, of course. So yeah, perfectly works from T5 to T3, guys.